Hello friends, this is August Black 25 here and today I'm gonna show you my nail art products. So let's start with the first one. This is a nail extension gel in clear. You can see that here is the instruction and all the details. It's 30 ml and it's in clear. I ordered it in clear. There was white and pink, so I ordered the clear one. And here is the brush, our second product. It's also from that kit I ordered. Let's open it from here. The quality of the brush is very good. It's a 2-in-1 brush. Here is the spatula. And here is the brush. It's very thin bristles and I love the brush quality. So it's a very good product. 10 out of 10 from me. And next is our sleep solution, poly nail liquid sleep solution. Here is 50 ml and it's also from the brand 3 Strokes. Here is the direction to use. I didn't open any product because I have to make the video for you. And here is the filer, or I don't know what you say, but it's the thing which we can shape our nails. So it's also from the 3 Strokes. And next one is our 100 nails pack. I didn't open it and here you can see the 100 nails. I didn't count that, but I hope these are 100. This was also in the kit. The small like clipper, we can use it here when do the extensions to clip on, that they do not slip out of the real nail bed. It's not that hard, it's not that soft. The hold is like perfect. And our next product in that kit is UV light. It's also from the 3 Strokes UV Sun UV Mini. So here is the UV lamp. It's very tiny. I thought when I ordered this, I thought it's gonna be very big, but this is like, you can see that my hands are very small and it fits in that. And here is the small stand for it. It's hard to open because the hold of the stand is very hard. I can't break my nail. So let's hope for it to open. Yes, it opened. See, this is very small. Like, here is my hand and here is the lamp. It's very convenient. You can have it, you can take it anywhere in the pocket. Also from 3 Strokes Sun Mini. With this we got the instructions and all that, you know, that technical instruction, operation instruction. And here is the wire cable. We can attach it in our any charger or like any plug, so we can use the UV lamp. And our next product is nail cutter. This is a nail cutter. It's not expensive, it's like cheap, but not that cheap. It normally like fit the nail and we can cut. I don't want to cut my nail, so I removed. It's a strong grip. I love this. This product is also very good. And here is our next product. I don't know why there is a written sponsor. I don't know if it's a company name or brand name, but I do not sponsor any of the product which I show in my videos. There is no sponsorship. I don't know why it's written here. So open it and see if it's good product or bad product and what is the quality. It's very shiny product. Oops. It has a magnet. There are 5 stands. It's a magnet and it's very cute. And here is the 5 stands. Let's check the quality test and the magnetic test. Here is a small magnet. Oh, it's strong. It's strong. Let me show you. Oops. It's strong. You can see that. It's very strong. It's not that expensive. Here is the shine, water shine. I love this product. If I do like this, it will not fall. So it's a good product. I love this. Here is all the instruction. It's in, I think, Japanese language or maybe in Chinese, I don't know. So move to the next one. Here is the hard gel, IBD. Everywhere when I see any nail artist who is beginner or professional, every single artist use this. So I ordered it. I thought it was very expensive, but its quantity, you can see this is a very good quantity. It's a hard gel, UV or builder gel. It's in clear, 56 grams. So it's a very good product. I didn't open it yet, but it's very good product. And next product is 3D sculpture gel, Crave It Up 3D effect, no wipe. It's in white, 3 strokes, also from the brand 3 strokes. So you can see it's a little bit expensive, but according to the quantity, it's a little bit expensive. I hope for the best quantity, but it's not that much. So next, I don't know what I should call them, but it's shaping tools, I think. The 3D gel and this, we can use them together like shaping of 3D gel or any gel. These are very soft and both the ends are different. Look at the diamonds or the, wow, they are moving inside. I love them. This product is very beautiful. Here is the instruction or like how to use them. Vanalisa Professional. And next one is again 100 nail set, made in China, you can see that. And these are the sticker nails. Like if I don't want to use UV lights, I can use sticker nails. And ready to go. These are the stickers. I didn't use any of them. So there is 3 sticker slips. I think it's a perfect size. If I will use, I will make video. So here is the one product. And next one is a drill machine, nail drill machine, variable speed, blah blah blah. You can see the details, all the, I don't know. Let's open it and see if it's worth or not. So here is the wire and the beads. Let's open this. So here is 6 beads and 6 sandpaper, I think. Here is the number, I see it's 3. I don't know what it's mean. Here is the plug. Here is the wire. We can attach our machine here. Let's check. Oh, here it is. Okay. Let's check the main product. Manicure and pedicure, 100 volt. Made in China. Here is on and off. And here is a button, like I'm pressing it. So here it's moving something inside. I don't know what it is. I'll check it later. Let's pack it. And our next product is Glevia. I know many of you have heard about this Glevia. Let's do ASMR. I don't know if it works with top coat, trouble base coat, dehydrator, magic remover, primer, eggshell top coat, ultra shine top coat, matte top coat. Here is all the instructions. It's very expensive for me to buy this product. This is peel off liquid. It's air drying. I think we can use it before we apply the nail paints. Let's open it. See, oh, it's like pink color, baby pink color, or like fade pink. It's air dry, so close it. It's a magic remover. It's also air dry. If we would remove our gel extensions, so we can use this. First we have to buffer the nails, remove excess the gel, and use this, apply this on the nail gel or whatever, so it peel off with time. So here is the Glivia, and our next product is this. I ordered many products, but this one is very expensive. These all three, these are the coats, like base coat, top coat, matte coat. You can see this is not like, it's a premium quality, but they stick the stickers in this manner. Let's see. It's not air drying, it's UV drying. UV light. Oops. See, it's very transparent and very shiny. I ordered the brand from Adore, and here is no sticker. Where is the sticker? I disappoint a little bit. Here is also one from the Picora matte top coat, 15 ml. Here is TCM. Here is BC. I think base coat, top coat. What is about M? PCG. Top coat. I don't know. I ordered from Adore, and these are from Picora, and one coat have no sticker, and I like, it's very expensive for me to buy these three coats. But moving to the next one, last but not the least, here is our chrome powders. There is a instruction step by step, spread the glue water on the nail and then blah blah blah. So there are 6 chrome powders in the pack we got. Let's open and check if they are good or not. Let's open this one. Move the powder in the center so it will not fall off. Open. I thought there is a good quantity, but here is the very less quantity we got. I'm a little disappointed with this product. Here is also, you can see that this is very shiny and very pretty, but the amount of the chrome powder is very less, and it was not a cheap product, it's expensive one. But as you know, we've got the 6 colors. Let me show you. 2 of them are pink, one is orange, 2 are blue, like one is sky blue and blue, and one is yellow. So these are the chrome powders. Have very less quantity. I did not expect that. But now what we can do, let's open the yellow one. It's very shiny. I love the chrome powders. Wow, this is very amazing. This is so amazing. Let's close tightly. Pack it, and when I will use them, I will make a video on these all products which I've shown in this video. ASMR again.